Hello everyone, I'm Kylie. I'm currently a fourth year chemical engineering student here at the U of A, and I'm going to be taking you on a campus tour. Welcome to the engineering buildings at the University of Alberta. I'm going to take you through some of the common study spaces, lecture theaters, and resources to know about coming and being an engineering student here at the U of A. Currently, we're in the atrium of ETLC, and behind me is the eSurf building. This is where most of our lecture theaters are, some common study spaces, and the Engineering Student Success Center is. Over here is our Engineering Student Society gear store. Currently there's nobody working in there, but during the fall winter semesters you'll always see one of us ESS people willing to help you out or give you some resources, some eng paper, lab coats if you need anything. Here we have the Engineering Student Success Center. This is where you can come and get help from TAs with first year courses, or if you just need last minute study help with final exams or midterms, you can come do some study help, some mock exams right here with some TAs. We are currently in eSurf, which is a great quiet study place, or a great collaborative center. It's a very quiet study space, so if you want to get some good study in before your midterms or finals, this is a great place to do it with a bunch of outlets. Or if you just want to get together with your friends and do some quick studying, it's a great place to do that. This is the ETLC Solarium. This is another cool and fun study space where you can hang out with your friends, eat lunch. They also hold a lot of events in this study space, as well as they have a quieter study space at the back with a lot of natural light. We are currently in NREF, which is another engineering, learning, and teaching building, which houses a lot of lecture theaters and study spaces, and is also home to many engineering club buildings or club rooms. But right over here we have the popular study space in NREF, which a lot of natural light. So now we're in the engineering quad. We came from the NREF building, which you can see over there. Don't mind the construction. Behind me, you can see ETLC where we were earlier. Straight over there would be the Mechie building. And then straight shot through both of them is the Donadeo Ice building. And attached to that is the Chemical and Materials Engineering building. We're currently on the first floor of ETLC, where there are many lecture theaters, so you'll probably have a few second or third year classes in these large lecture buildings down here. We're currently in the Elko Engineering Garage. This is a hands-on makerspace for all engineering students to use, where you can create, design, innovate something from nothing. All you need to do to access this place is a short orientation and training. So this is the mechanical engineering building where you may or may not have lectures or seminars, and below us is the machine shop where you can get first-hand training on how to use different equipment like drill presses, laser cutters, saws, shears, and any other equipment that you would like to learn here. We are on 5th floor Mechie right now, which is the home to all or most of the different discipline engineering club rooms. We did a panorama so you can see all the different doors, and behind me is the gear lounge where you can sit and hang out with a bunch of club members with the discipline clubs. This is the Chemical and Materials Engineering building. This building has a lot of research and experimental labs, so if you may have a lab for your class, this is where it could be. We're in the Donadeo Ice building, which has professor administrative offices. To my left down the hall, you can see the co-op office, the student services office, and the career connections office. In that building, you can see administrative help, academic help, or co-op help, where you can meet with advisors there, or you can even have in-person co-op interviews there. Behind me is the Discover E offices, which Discover E is a student-driven initiative where they teach youth and children hands-on engineering, science, and technology-based learning. So we're currently in the Fred Feasey Commons. This study space is up on the 8th floor on the Donadeo Ice building. This is another fun and it's kind of loud study space where you can hang out with your friends, have lunch, study, where you can have an incredible view of the river valley. So this is one of the newest spaces here in the engineering buildings. It is the ICE Engineering Incubator, which you can come and get guidance for commercializing new technologies or starting your new startup, and they help kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. So the end of our tour takes us to the ETLC Pedway. This is just to say thank you for watching, and hope you find yourself your way around campus.